Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. We're going to take some deep breaths together, see if we can release some of the stress that we feel, the anxieties, the worries, the anger, and come back to love. Come back to trust. That being said, get into a comfortable seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture. Aware of your space. Gently close the eyes, bringing your attention inwards, noticing how you feel in this moment. Noticing any tensions in the body, any tensions in the face. Bringing a subtle smile to the face to release any tension in the jaw. Relaxing your belly. Feeling the air drop down from your chest into the belly, pushing the belly outwards a bit as you lower your shoulders away from the ears. Relaxing the palms of your hands and feet. Looking inwards, witnessing and welcoming all that's inside. If you've been having a hard day, know that you're not alone. If you feel worried, anxious, and insecure, know that so many people can relate. We gotta stay strong for each other and help each other come back to love. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhaling love to the world. Letting go of fears as you breathe in trust in the unfolding of life. Holding that trust inside and exhaling it to the world. Relaxing the belly. Relaxing your back, your neck. Feeling the whole body beginning to relax. Letting go of past, letting go of future. Just feeling the preciousness of this moment, despite all the obstacles in the way. Our time is limited in this body. Having appreciation for this body, this mind, this crazy mind. As you take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in through the nose and exhaling. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhaling even slower, even softer, letting go of all negativity, any thoughts that no longer serve you. Simply letting it go. Letting go of insecurities, nothing to do with them. Just let it go. Breathing in through the mouth this time. And exhaling. Breathing in. And breathing out. Breathing in strength. Holding that strength inside and exhaling it to the world. Breathing in calm, relaxed energy. And exhaling any stress that you've been feeling. Feeling it leave the mind, leave the body. Coming back into a state of relaxation as you trust life's unfolding exactly as it should. You are where you're supposed to be, doing what you're supposed to be doing. Breathing with me. All jokes aside, trusting the unfolding of your life. Trusting in this moment as you breathe in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Relaxing your belly, relaxing the shoulders, dropping them away from the ears, relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead, looking inside witnessing and welcoming all that's inside. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale. Letting the mind be free as you look inside with closed eyes, keeping the body still. Remembering to breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Very nice, my friend. Way to stick with it. Coming back into your body, feeling rooted in your body, rooted in this moment. Letting go of all the criticisms of the body and coming back into gratitude for all that the body does. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. The color for today is green, like a dark green. The number is 35, and the animal is a black panther. Thank you for joining me across time and space. I hope that this exercise has been calming. I hope that you can realize how strong you are today, how much you've already overcome, and that you can go beyond these obstacles that you feel. That you can come back to trust and come back to love, no matter how many times we get caught in fear, in anger. It's okay. Part of the process, part of the practice. Just keep coming back to trust. Keep coming back to love. How can you love yourself more today? How can you love the people in your life more today? How can you love what you do more today? This word love is very important to meditate on, to go deeper into its mysteries. Sending you a big hug across time and space. Wishing you an abundance of love, abundance of healing, prosperity, wealth, health, laughter. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with joy.